Book exercise 12.2. Very simple questions are given. In the first one it is asked which angle is smaller, so the degrees are given. You can do it yourself, it's very easy. Same way in the second question it is asked which pair of angles is greater, so again you can do it yourself. Now come to part 3, which I will explain you how you have to do in book. Part 3, question number exercise 12.2 part 3, how you have to do. I am doing 2 and 3, first 2 for you, rest you will do yourself. It's very simple. Take a protector in your hand. Now you have to measure the angles and write. So angle ABD is asked. So A, ठीक है, B and D, it means you have to find this angle A, B and D, how much it measures. So it's very easy. Keep your protector here. At this point B, this center should lie. I have kept it here, ठीक है. Now you see this, ये जो point है D, this line where it meets, it is 30 degree. So what will be the measurement of ABD? It is 30 degrees. So write the answer over here. Now next it is asked for ABE, A, B and E. Again you put the protector over here and check it. So A, B and E, this arrow comes here. So how much it is? It is 60 degree. So you will mark this as 60 degree and write here. Same way you can do all these parts. Just put your protector and check the angles, measure of angles. And the fourth question is which of the following angles are acute, right or obtuse? We have already understood what are the definition of these angles, so you can do it yourself. Now come to the question number 6. In this question number 6 you have to draw the angles whose measures are given, ठीक है. So out of this you will do question number 1 means A, question number 6 part A, F and H. You take H and D in your notebook, ठीक है. This has to be done in classwork notebook. You will do yourself and in the next class I will check it. I have explained how you have to draw. Just you have to take the protector, measure the angle and join the lines, dots with pencil. That will be your angle. Now the next question it is asked, what is the measure of each angle of a rectangle? So look here, rectangle, this is a rectangle. If you put a protector over here in the rectangle, this, like this we measure. तो इसमें angle कौन सा बन रहा है? See, this line is touching, ऐसे बन रहा है ना, one corner. So this angle will be 90 degree. So each angle in a rectangle is 90 degree. Same way square also, if you measure each angle will be 90 degree. On all the points you can keep the protector like this or like this and check. Every time it will come 90 degree only. And the last question is you have to measure the angle, the pair of angles and check whether they are congruent or not. Congruent angles हमने अभी पढ़ा. If the measure of angle is same, then these are called the congruent angles. Now check the first one. I have kept the protector here and the answer is, it's not exact, 32 and 33 something is coming. Now again put the protector here. It is also some 32 and 33 like this only. So both the angles are equal. So this pair of angle is congruent. Second part you can directly do this. See, this is acute angle less than 90 degree and it is right angle. So ये congruent हो ही नहीं सकते because they are not equal. So these are not congruent pair of angles. Now come to the third part. You measure this. This is between 130 to 140 degree and if we measure this, then this is also between. See, this is a very good question. It is quite confusing. These are congruent or not. So if you have to measure this from one side only, means यहाँ से हम measure करेंगे, ठीक है. Now check, this comes between 130 to 140 ये हो गया, and this if we put the protector it comes between 40 to 50. So these are not congruent angles because they are unequal. But if you so put a cross over here, so we got only one pair of congruent angles, that is the first one. ठीक है. I hope it's clear children. You will do question number 6 only part A, F, H and D in your classwork notebooks, and rest of the questions will be done in book only. I hope it's clear to everyone. Thank you children for watching, and do finish your work before the next class.